Today we'll be going over SSO configuration in Microsoft Entra within the Airia platform. To set up SSO in Airia, move from the Studio over to Settings. Within Settings on the left-hand panel, you'll see a SSO and Provisioning tab. Here, turn on SSO. From here, you can type in any display name. I'll use Testing. That's going to generate your redirect URI, which you'll want to copy. Next, move over to Entra. Within Entra, create a new app registration. Title it Testing and register the application. Add your redirect URI by clicking the Add a Redirect URI button. Click Add a Platform, add a web platform, paste in your redirect URI, and click Configure. From here, move back to the overview. Grab the endpoint, specifically the Discovery endpoint, that you'll need to put back into the Airia configuration. Within the overview, click on Endpoints, scroll down to the second-to-last URL, copy that, and move back to Airia Platform, where you can paste that Discovery endpoint. You'll see that fills in the rest of the configuration, and the only pieces left to fill in are Client ID and Secret. Moving back to Entra, the Client ID is your application ID, which you can copy. Move back to the platform to paste that in. Lastly, generate a client secret by selecting Add a Certificate or Secret. Create a new secret. The description can be anything, so I'll use Testing. Click Add. Copy your secret ID, move back to the platform, and add that into the client secret field. Lastly, add the domain. I'll use airia.com as an example. Now, you can choose what the default role is. With SSO just-in-time provisioning, users will be added with a specific role when they try using the domain email address that's in the configuration. You can choose if they should be auto-provisioned as platform admin, etc. The most common role we see used for SSO is end user. Lastly, you can hit Save. If there are any questions, please reference the documentation in Airia Explore. Thanks.